Hi students, in this video I am going to discuss about trigonometric identities problems. In the last video we discussed three identities, that is sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, and second property 1 plus tan square a is equal to cosecant square a, and third one cosecant square theta or cosecant square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. Now we will see some problems here. Problem number 1. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. So now we are giving three types of ratios, sin A, secant A, tan A. These three trigonometric ratios can be converted into cot A. Here don't confuse, instead of A is nothing but you can take theta also. Sin A or theta means A is angle is theta. Angle A means angle must be, we should take theta, either sin A or sin theta, secant A or secant theta, tan A or tan theta. That means A is equal to theta in terms of cot theta or cot A. So now first one, we know that 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. That is one identity. So now 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. How can you write cosecant theta or cosecant A? Nothing but reciprocal of sine. So you can write 1 divided by sine square A. This is the formula. Remember, cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. Formula 1 divided by sin A. So now I want only sin square A, but I am giving out 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 upon sin square A. Taking reciprocal of both sides, reciprocal. 1 divided by 1 plus cot square A, which is equal to 1 divided by sin square A changes as sin square A. Sin square A. So that means I want only sin A. Sin A is equal to square root of 1 divided by 1 plus cot square A. I repeat once again. 1 plus cot square A divided by 1, reciprocal of this value is equal to 1 by 1 plus cot square A is equal to, even this fraction also changes. 1 divided by sin square A nothing but sin square divided by A 1. I want only sin A. This square value takes, that it will be root of 1 divided by 1 plus cot square A. So sin A is equal to, apply root numerator and also denominator. Root 1 value is 1 divided by root of denominator, root of 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot square A. Remember, we are giving ratio, express the trigonometric ratio sin A must be converted into cot A. So sin A is equal to, express the term is cot A. This is sin. Next coming to the secant A. So secant A, how can you write? Let us take, this is property 1. Second one, secant A changes to cot A. How to change secant A changes to cot A? Secant square A, that means secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A formula. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square A. Same thing. So now secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan A is nothing but what? Reciprocal of cot. Because this value also converted into cot A. So we are taking the, once again I repeat, secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. This is one of the property. So secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan A changes to cot square A. That means 1 divided by cot square A. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. So secant square is equal to, secant square A is equal to, taking LCM this value, cot square A into 1, cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A. I want only secant A. Secant A is equal to, apply square this value this side, that will be root cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A. I want only secant A, that is equal to apply root numerator and also denominator, square root of 1 plus cot square A upon root will be cancelled, this one and also this one, you will get only cot A. So what is secant A in terms of cot A? The result is root of 1 plus cot square A divided by cot A. Observe, sin A is also converted into cot A, secant A is also converted in terms of cot A. So next, third one, tan A also must be converted into cot A. So this one also you know very well, tan A is nothing but the reciprocal of cot, or cot is the reciprocal of tan. So tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. So these three trigonometric ratios, sin A, secant A, tan A, are also converted into cot A. Now, next problem. Evaluate first bit, sin square 63 degrees plus sin square 27 degrees upon cos square 17 degrees plus cos square 73 degrees. So now, what is the total value? Here, given that sin square 63 degrees plus sin square 27 degrees upon cos square 17 degrees plus cos square 73 degrees. So now, even this value converted to cos, maybe this one also converted into cos, any one value in the numerator, sin changes to cos. Why we are taking one ratio which changes to cos means we have to use one trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value always 1. Here both ratios are sin. Any one value must be changes to cos. Even denominator also cos changes to sin. So I am taking here sin square 63 degrees plus sin square of 27 degrees. How can you write? 19 minus 27 degrees. 90 degrees minus 27 degrees. Sorry, 90 degrees minus 63 degrees. 27 degrees, how can you convert? 90 minus 63 is 27. Even denominator also same procedure. Denominator also same. Cos square 17 degrees plus cos square, this one 73, how can you write? 90 degrees minus 17 degrees. 90 minus 17, 73 degrees. 73 plus 17, 90 degrees. Now, why we are applying here, sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Complementary angles, already we discussed complementary angles. Sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Even denominator also 17 plus 73, 90 degrees. So which is equal to sin square 63 degrees plus, here 90 degrees is given, sin changes to cos. So cos square 63 degrees upon cos square 17 degrees plus cos of 90 minus 17 degrees means what? Here 90 degrees. Cos changes to sin. Sin square 17 degrees. So what is the actual formula here? Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Remember, sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, or cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. This is another formula. Complementary angles. According to complementary angles formulas, sin of 90 minus theta cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta sin theta, because sin of 90 minus theta cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta sin theta, which is equal to sin square theta. Observe the numerator, both angles are same. Both angles are same. What is the formula? So first trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Angle must be same. It should be same. So this is equal to 1 divided by, even denominator also angles must be same. 70 degrees and again 70 degrees. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. According to identity, this is equal to 1. So now coming to the second problem, evaluate sin 25 degrees into cos 65 degrees plus cos 25 degrees into sin 65 degrees value. Here sin 25 as it is, sin 25 degrees into cos 65 degrees. How can you write? Even observe clearly, 25 plus 65, 90 degrees. These two angles are complementary angles. So 65, how can you write? Cos of 90 minus 25. 90 minus 25. 90 minus 25 means 65. Plus cos of 25 degrees into sine. Again this value converted into 90 minus 25 degrees. 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. So sine 25 degrees into, according to complementary angle formula, what is cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. Cos of 90 minus theta, theta is 25. 90 degrees nothing but what? Cos changes to sin, changes to cos, cos changes to sin when 90 degrees is present. So this is sin 25 degrees plus cos 25 degrees into, so again here 90 degrees is present, sin changes to cos, cos 25 degrees. So what you observe in this? In the first term, this is sin 25, this is also sin 25. Sin into sin, this value. Sin theta into sin theta. Sin square 25 degrees. A into A square. Sin 25 into sin 25. Sin square 25 degrees plus cos, both are same terms and also product based. Cos 25 to cos 25. Cos square 25 degrees. Cos square 25 degrees. What is the first identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Remember, when you apply the first trigonometry identity, angle must be same. So this value is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 according to identity. So this is the second problem solution. So now let's move on to the problem number 3. Evaluate 9 into secant square a minus 9 into tan square a. Here both terms 9 value take common. You will get secant square a minus tan square a. So 9 into, you can observe, this is the formula, second identity. What is the second identity? 1 plus tan square a is equal to secant square a. 1 plus tan square a is equal to secant square a. In this formula, 1 is equal to tan square, take this side, secant square a minus tan square a. So how can you write instead of secant square a minus tan square a, this is equal to 1. So 9 into 1, which is equal to 9. So now coming to the second bit, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta, and one more term, 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So in this problem, both are different type of trigonometric ratios and also product based values. Tan theta converted into sin by cos, secant theta also converted into 1 by cos, reciprocal. Cot theta, cos theta by sin theta, cosecant theta reciprocal, 1 divided by sin theta, and simplified. So 1 plus tan theta formula, sin theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta, secant theta formula, reciprocal of secant theta is cos theta, 1 divided by cos theta, 1 divided by cos theta. 1 plus cot theta formula is cos theta divided by sin theta minus cosecant theta formula, 1 divided by sin theta, 1 divided by sin theta. So now in the first part, what is the LCM of this one? Here 1 divided by 1, cos theta, cos theta. LCM clearly cos theta. In the first part, LCM is cos theta. So 1 into cos theta, that is equal to cos theta plus cos theta 1 time, that is sin theta plus cos theta 1 time cancellation, 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. Coming to the second part, LCM, how much? Denominator LCM is clearly sin theta, 1 into sin theta, that is sin theta plus sin theta 1 time cancellation, that is 1 into cos theta, that is cos theta minus sin theta 1 time, that is 1 into 1, 1. So this is the LCM over. So now in the both terms we can arrange the terms like this. Cos theta plus sin theta, that is sin theta plus cos theta is one term plus 1. Can I write like this? All the terms are in addition. I am arranging the term sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 is one term into, in the both terms are product based, and in the second part sin theta plus cos theta one part, sin theta plus cos theta is one term and minus 1 is another term. So divided by cos theta into sin theta as this, cos theta into sin theta. So now observe, in the numerator we have one formula. This is A, one treat as B. This is A, this is B. A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula? A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So this is A. A value how much? Sin theta. Let us write, this is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. A plus B into A minus B. A value how much? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus B value is 1. 1 square divided by cos theta into sin theta. So now apply A plus B whole square form. A plus B whole square formula. A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. So now sin square theta plus cos square theta formula, according to the trigonometry identity, this is equal to 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. So plus 1 minus 1 both are cancelled. So next 2 sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. So in the numerator, denominator both are same term, sin theta cos theta cancel, you will get 2 answer. So this is the solution of third one. Next problem number 3, third bit. Secant, evaluate secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. Here solution. We don't have direct formula for this. Secant A converted into cos, tan A converted into sin divided by cos, and again second part as this. So write secant A formula 1 divided by cos A, because secant reciprocal, that is cos, plus tan A formula sin A divided by cos A, and 1 minus sin A as this, 1 minus sin A. So now in this LCM, first part, here also cos A, here also cos A, both are same terms. LCM is clearly cos A. So now cos A into cos A, that is one time, 1 into 1, 1 plus, and again cos A, one time cancel, 1 into sin A. That means 1 into cos A plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. So you can write, this is 1 plus sin A, you can write as 1 plus sin A into this one also 1 minus sin A. Both are numerator terms. This is numerator, this is also numerator. 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A divided by cos A. Now A plus B into A minus B. Already discussed the formula. What is the formula? A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. That is 1 square minus sin square A upon cos A. So 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus sin square A upon cos A, which is equal to 1 minus sin square A formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. In this formula, I want cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta, theta nothing but A. Angle is at A. So cos square theta you can write as cos square A divided by cos A. So here two times cos square, here only one time. So this one cancel, you will get only cos A. Now coming to the fourth bit, we know very well what is the second trigonometry identity. 1 plus tan square A formula is what? That is clearly secant square A upon third trigonometric identity. 1 plus cot square A is cosecant square A. Cosecant square A. So from identities, you can write this is the second identity, this is the third identity. Secant square A divided by cosecant square A, direct formula. So now which is equal to secant square A, how can you write? 1 divided by cos square A upon cosecant square A, 1 divided by sin square A. So secant is nothing but reciprocal of cos, cosecant is nothing but reciprocal of sin. So now which is equal to 1 divided by cos square A into, so this is the denominator is in the form of fraction 1 divided by sin square A, that will be reciprocal sin square, then interchange the denominator sin square A divided by 1. Numerator into denominator must be reciprocal, sin square A into 1. So now which is equal to sin square A divided by cos square A. So now sin A divided by cos A whole square. So now which is equal to sin A by cos A, nothing but what? Tan A. Tan A whole square. Tan A whole square means tan square A. So this is the solution of fourth bit. So next class we will do another problems. Thank you.